Blockchain Live, and on the back you will hear some cooking going on because the kids and the wife are cooking cupcakes. Maybe you can even see the result later of those cupcakes. I will wait for some people to stream in to check how many viewers we can get on this beautiful Friday afternoon, 4 p.m. Central European time, and exactly on time. Let's give everyone a little bit to stream in and to see if YouTube, because there's 0 views on YouTube at the moment. So there's something up, something going wrong. I don't know what is going wrong. Maybe YouTube is just lagging a little bit. Yes, it was lagging a little bit. Let the party begin. Some people are saying. I will give it a couple of minutes, seconds to get people streaming in over here. I wanted to record today with my telephone to go outside, but then again, if I do that, I cannot share charts, and I know that you guys also want to have some charts now and then. So I decided again to do it on my laptop. Also, it's better for me to read all the questions. Sorry for that. I know that you expect way more beautiful background images. They are just not here now when I go live because, it's just not the most beautiful place. But when I'm inside, you can see it's like over here, just normal blanco screen. Let me see who is in already today, this beautiful day. Leon welcomes, Christoph welcome, Totti welcome, Mr. Barefoot, Barry welcome from New Zealand, welcome from Croatia, Levra Legend, welcome, Joao Villar, welcome, Frederik, Jurgen, Bram, Mills, Jean-Pierre, Nick, another Nick. Oh no, that's one Nick. I'm viewing beautiful Gixonator. Hello, welcome all of you to the live. There is a Portugal resident question, so I'm going to ask and I'm going to try to answer as much as possible questions about everything that you ask me. Anything that you ask me anything. I think that's why it's AMA. I don't know. Yeah, I think it is. Nick is starting with a pretty difficult question. Since you're a Portugal resident, do you report crypto off-ramp for your taxes since they clarified tax regulation in 2023, or just don't care? I'm also a Portugal resident, but I never report anything yet. Nick, I'm like you. I don't care. I have not reported anything, and I won't report anything because there is a difference between my capital and there is a difference between my income. My capital is 0% tax in Portugal. My income, of course, is on a beautiful island somewhere in the tropical oceans where also is 0% tax on my income. So if I'm spending my capital from the source of my income, then it's not being taxed in Portugal because there it's only capital tax that I would be paying because there's no income in Portugal. It's income outside of Portugal. And an entity that I set up to have that income that is not obliged to pay taxes in Portugal. So you separate your capital from your income. That's how I solved it. But let me know if you have another solution. But that's my solution, at least at the moment. And I don't know, maybe in the future that solution will change again. It all depends on how Portugal evolves and all the other countries evolve when it comes to cryptocurrency, of course. Now, that was the first answer. Good answer, I think. Welcome also Elko Venema. How is Lagos? Elko moved from the Netherlands to Portugal this year. Also went all into Bitcoin, I believe. So Elko, welcome as well. I'm viewing on YouTube. That's number one. Amazing, Mr. Barefoot Berry. Didi, want to sell my house to get all into Chainlink. How can I push her to go with me? Your wife? Okay, that's to get all into Chainlink. How can I push her? I think you're talking about your wife. I don't know Amaury Tempere, but Didi, I want to sell my house to get all into Chainlink. How can I push her to go with me? Push it. No, I don't know. How do you push your wife to go all in? I didn't need to push her. She also wanted to go all in because she also wanted to have a freedom life and travel and see the world and not be a taxi driver for the children, the family, just driving around in circles every day. So for her, it was already there. And if your wife is not there yet, I would just tell her like in baby steps. I would say, hey, darling, I would love to go on a trip for 1 month. And then 1 month becomes 2 months and 3 months and 4 months and 5 months or 6 months. But maybe I can ask my wife, how would you push a wife into going all in? Oh, she didn't hear me.
Sorry.
How would you push other wife to go all in and travel the world? She's really there. Don't think I'm like making this up. I'm not like that strange, but they are really there. So I'm going to ask my wife how she would push your wife. No hashtag me too here. It's not sexual. It's just.
I don't know about the pushing part. It's like you cannot push somebody to do something. It's like you need to sit down, talk about it. What do you think about the life and how it's going? And do you want to change? How do you want to change? What about we start traveling and try that for a change?
A change. I hope you heard that answer, Nick. So, oh no, that was not Nick. That was Amaury Tampere. So that was the answer of my wife. You cannot push outside of the bed. In the bed, you need to be pushing really hard, very strongly, because they love a strong man that pushes really hard. Outside the bed, don't push your wife. Just let her get used to the feeling. Just tell her baby steps. We will go on a holiday for 1 month just to check out how beautiful that country is. And that 1 month, then you just make her life amazing, amazing, like Steve. You know, wow, amazing. And then that will become 2 months and 3 months. Then you ask her to marry you at the 3rd month. You say, yeah, but we need to do it over here. You say 4 months, something like that. But again, don't push too hard. When you push, they go the opposite. Sometimes. It depends on the situation. But let's go to the next question. Citizens Crypto, welcome from Texas. Yellow Rans, welcome as well. I'm on YouTube. Saudi Cup from Thailand. Saudi Cup. See you soon over there, guys. It will take not longer than 2 weeks. I'm not going to give the specific date, but within 2 weeks, I will be on Phuket again in Thailand. I will feel home again in Thailand. I will be driving without a helmet on a motorbike and visiting beaches and walking and talking on the beach every morning, giving you again Bitcoin, beaches, and booties. So that's what you all want, and boobs. So yeah, I'm going to go back to that beach, of course. Kaspa, good investment. Yeah, I think Kaspa is a good investment, but I'm not like, I don't know how low they will go. I think the alt market has been bottoming out a little bit. I don't believe it will go way more deeper. I think Bitcoin will recover very soon. 110 watching, YouTube likes. That is what the fuck. Yeah, what the fuck is wrong with this world, Mr. Barefoot Berry? How is that possible? We have 150 viewers and only five thumbs up. That's like disrespectful to my wife. She was talking. You cannot disrespect my wife in that way. Yeah, we should have had way more thumbs ups already. We have not enough time. 32 hours now. 32 hours. It's going up a little bit. We need more. The more thumbs ups, the more viewers, the longer I will stay online. So start to share this live AMA with everyone. Let me see. There was another question. Happy to do this for you, Pascal Hoekstra. So have you seen? Oh shit! I missed a few questions. No, I'm here. Back. What is the best way to swap BTC without an exchange? Haha, Frederic. That's a very good question. And to be very honest, I have been diving a little bit the last 2 days since I did a call with a guy into the Tor chain. And in the Tor chain, it's apparently possible to swap Bitcoin directly to USDT or to any other token that's supported by Tor chain. And it works in a really, really cool way. So I'm gonna share a link. Let me quickly check the link. You have the right link. I don't want to share a scammer link. But on this one, you can swap BTC native chains with like Ethereum or USDT or any other ones without the need of bringing those Bitcoins like to wrapped Bitcoins or whatever. It's like just very easy. It works. And that's why I am also an investor. Already, you can see it on the list already from like the beginning of this bull market. Investor in Runes, because if you check that one, I just dropped the link over there. Rune is the token for Torchain, and if Torchain really is going to do what it says, so make it possible for Bitcoin to be swappable to Ethereum directly or to USDT or any other token that is on that Tor chain that is providing liquidity on the Tor chain, like that, then that would be really amazing, because then we don't need any exchange anymore, of course, to swap your Bitcoins. So that is what I would do. It's a completely decentralized way, anonymous way, really interesting to do it that way. I also have this new wallet. I'm investing in this, so let that also be very clear to all of you. I need to check it. So I always say, if I'm investing in something, I'm not saying that you should invest in it, but I bought a shitload of runes because of that. And I also invested in the project. I'm looking if I have a link. So that's why I'm looking on my telephone. It's not that I'm not interested on you. I'm going to copy this one over here. There's no referral link, but it's just a link. I'm also invested in, oh, sorry. Why is that not copying and pasting? Copy. Let me try and paste again. No, not working. Let me check if I can paste it over here. No, not working. I'm checking if I can send you the link of this one. I will come back. I will come back to the other answers. I just want to know if I can, in an easy way. No, it's impossible to share the link. Then I will just. I don't want you to have the wrong one. That's that's a little bit what I'm. I don't want you to have the wrong app. So that's why I want to share the original one. What I will do, I will share the website. Maybe that's the best thing that I can do to give you the safest access. I don't want to have any links that are directing you to the wrong way or something. So I invested in a company that is also creating an app for the Tor swap and everything. So that is over here, guys. That is this company. So you can check that. That's a very cool non-custodial wallet that you can use. A very safe one where you need 2 devices to unlock your tokens, blah, blah, blah. You need to check it yourself. I will make a video maybe soon about that, but that's also something you need to look into. Okay. Jean-Pierre de Vries says, this is fun. I don't know what is fun, but one part of the videos was fun. Aurora Tampera says, thank you, Didi, and also thank you to my wife. He will push her tonight. All welcome from the Netherlands as well. Tomorrow I will do a Dutch AMA. Today is the English one, of course. Thailand is way cheaper than Europe and also way nicer than Europe. You know, it's a massage for €6. 36K BTC. Someone is saying, Yasmi Goy Crypto thinks we are going to go to 36K Bitcoin, or maybe he's a whale, maybe he hodls 36,000 Bitcoins. I don't know yet. I'll check it in the chat. Ask him in the chat, are you owning that, or do you think we go to 36K? Welcome, Ruud Veen. I'm happy to make all these videos. Somebody, Stephen Henley, is just leaving UK. Which country would you say is easiest to get tax residency with 0 capital gains? The easiest is for UK people. I don't know if that's still Portugal. I think Portugal is the easiest one normally for EU people. For non-EU people, you need to be investing a shitload. So then you need to invest more than 250K to be able to become Portuguese resident. So then I don't think Portugal would be the number one if you're not EU resident anymore. You had the Brexit. So then probably an easy one would be, I think, Thailand or Mexico. I think Thailand or Mexico would be very simple ones to get into. Traveling to Europe for 2 months on crypto, it can be done. What is the best country to move if Harris wins presidency? She can't win. If she wins, then America is gone. I don't believe that she can win. All those like pre-results, they are fake as fuck. Trump should be like at 70% and she should be like at 30% max. It's like, it's never 50-50. It's unbelievable that people in the United States let them be fooled like that. Yeah, Jasmine Guy Crypto says crypto is a Ponzi scheme. Yes, Jasmine Guy Crypto, and that's why you have a symbol with Bitcoin and Ethereum, because you think it's a Ponzi scheme. That's like really retarded. But I also have retarded followers, so that's that's not a problem. Not a problem. You're welcome. Thank you, Nick. I'm getting worried. My PF got cut in half in Bitcoin value, I rotate to alts too early. Personally, wow. Yeah, okay. Some people still believe a lot in alts, and then your portfolio will drop tremendously because alts will always drop like 60%, 50%, sometimes even 90%. Now, Bitcoin can crash like up to 30%. So the crash in alts will always be earlier. I don't understand why you shifted your portfolio already to alts because, we always have the run with Bitcoin first through the end of the year. The top months are always October, November, December. And from that moment, when Bitcoin starts to dip, we go over in the alt run, January, February, March, and then Bitcoin picks up again, April, June, July, all the way till next December. That's what I think. So yeah, you timed it wrong, but it's not like bad. You do not. My wife is fighting the pens. She's fighting the pens. Do you remember she read the book How to Kill Your Husband? She's searching for the knife. She's searching for the knife. So that's like, if you don't sell, you're not in loss. So you will turn in profit. The alts will flow up. And the only thing that you can do at the moment to decrease the time to be in profit is to dollar cost average into these alts. So you have an average price of buying these alts. If they are down below that price, you can add more alts to it so that you have a lower buying price, so that if it comes up a little bit, you're earlier in profit and you'll be able to take profit a little bit earlier. Yes, that was my Dutch English again. Trade people don't invest in this bullshit. Yasmi Goy Crypto. Yes, if you continue like this, Yasmi Goy Crypto, I will just ban you from this channel because you're just talking bullshit. So that's what I say. Bullshit. Yeah, he's a downer. We are uppers. Yes, one chat for Yasmi. Yasmi, he's a or he is a downer, or he has the syndrome of Down. Both things are possible. That's why I called him a retarded. Take a look, Dreamy X people. It's a gamify. Oh, YouTube will now push my views down because I said retarded. Let's go, Dream X people. I don't know that one. Good day from Canada. Welcome, Todd Arnold from Canada. How can I solve everything and buy Bitcoin? Just by selling everything and then buying Bitcoin. It's not that difficult anymore. It's not like mathematics anymore. It's not like you can buy Bitcoin in any kind of way. You can buy Bitcoin with your bank account. You can buy Bitcoin with gold. You can buy Bitcoin with cash. You can buy Bitcoin with everything that you own. It's not that difficult anymore. You just go online and you buy Bitcoin, or you search an OTC dealer to buy Bitcoin. So you meet someone in public that you really trust, and then you convert Bitcoins into cash or cash into Bitcoin. Ctrl V, somebody is saying, I don't know why, Ctrl V, or Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy, paste, yes. Good day from Canada. What happened now? Stocks and crypto falling quite a lot. Do I know what is happening? Yeah, of course I know what's happening. Everyone knows what is happening. No, I don't know what's happening. But what is happening? There is FUD being created all over the place about a bad economy, because there will be presidents running for the elections in the United States, a country that we still see as a very important country, and that's why everyone in the whole economy is still looking at the United States, what is happening over there. And that elections run that will take all the way till November, and in that period there will be a lot of uncertainty in the industry, and not only Bitcoin, also stocks and everything. And then nobody knows exactly which direction the world will be going, because if it will become Biden-Harris, we will all be fucked. Yeah, you will get fucked for free every day. If it will become like, for example, Trump, then the world is safe. Then the wars will stop, the economy will boom, and blah, blah, blah. So whenever these times of uncertain periods in economics in worldwide situations, that is when people start to doubt and take off their assets and try to invest a little bit more in store of values like gold. They feel safer in gold. That is why you have the biggest banks of the world, like Poland, Turkey. All of these banks are accumulating a shitload of gold because they don't want to be in that mingle of that fake war between the United States and Ukraine. It's not Ukraine and Russia, sorry. It's like United States and Russia. So there's a lot of uncertainty. A lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And whenever that is, the market is a little bit more volatile, and that's a beautiful market to trade. But that doesn't mean you should lose your faith in Bitcoin, or not only your faith, your belief, your understanding of the technology that is changing the world into a better world. This doesn't do anything to Bitcoin. Bitcoin will only grow because Bitcoin is the gold of the 21st century. So people will also start to invest in gold, and only those weak hands, They will be shaken out because of these events. That's what's happening. Nothing else. Like last week or 2 weeks ago, you were 50K as well, 48K. I told you to buy. You said we go to 30K. Bam. We were back almost at 65K. A lot of profit in the trade over there. Let's see. More questions. Like. Yes, we want way more likes. Melissa Pereira. Hello, Melissa. How are you doing in Portugal? Question, do you be Bitcoin? Oh, I forgot to read the question, so I need to scroll a little bit. You type too fast. you, what do you know? Tomorrow during the Dutch AMA, I'm walking 15 kilometers airborne and surrounding of Arnhem. Amazing. I hope you still join us during the walk. Maybe I can invite you into the stream and you can show us where you're walking. Do you need a NIF and cheap rental contract in Portugal if you're EU citizen for CGT every 1 year holding? So you need a NIF, and the first month you also need a cheap rental contract. But the second year or the third year, I don't think that rental contract even is like necessary anymore. But that's my opinion. Thailand is the place to be. Yes, I completely agree, Christoph. Look, you only paid 12 euros for a couple of smoothies with a beautiful view in Patong. That's like an expensive smoothie in Thailand. You can get them cheaper, but with a beautiful view, beautiful bar, yeah, that's a €6 price. Is a good price. Hello, Crypto Bond Boy. Didi, I'm correct. I'm saying IBIT will not drop below EPO price. Oops, I don't know. I don't know if that is true. I don't know. If you fast enough, yes, you can make money. If you fast enough, yes, you can. I don't know. I think that one is really not that smart. Love watching your shows, Didi. Thank you, front runner. Hopefully you were front running also the market a little bit. Somebody missed a part of the AMA. What do we do? How do we punish Jeroen Bos? No, it doesn't matter. You can always ask the question. The power law correct, and the price will follow the pattern long term. What are your thoughts on the power law? My thoughts on the power law are the same as the thoughts on the stock to flow model. And all the charts that I shared like 2 days ago in the video. For me, I'm always zoomed out. I look at that bigger picture. For me, all this volatility, yes, it's not nice to see your capital go up and down, but if you just need a small part of that capital to live, you can trust on the power law. You can trust on stock to flow models. You can trust on these models that have been calculated for gold and that were like trustable. So yes, I do believe that the power law, and I also do believe in the stock to flow model. And it doesn't mean that I am saying that we go to 500K like this year or next year. It can also take like 2 more markets, but these are the average targets we should reach if we follow that power law or, for example, the stock to flow. So yes, I do believe in them. I will make a video about what I think about all these models. Thank you, Jeroen Bos, for that very good idea. I'm going to do a video on the stock to flow model. I'm going to do a video on the power law model and just give my opinion on these models so that you really understand all of that. What if you have nothing left to buy the dip? Now, Pekka, Zetwi, now you can always go sell your kidneys. You can always sell your wife. You can, I don't know. If you don't have anything, what would you do to buy the dip now? I don't think the dip will be like way lower. So I would not be selling your crypto to buy like 1K cheaper, because you can also like in a flip of a second, like bam, turn up the other side, and then you will be buying back more expensive. So I would not do that. Then I would make sure there is an income that I can use to buy that dip. That's what I would do. I would not sell crypto at this moment. I would not do that. Bitcoin below 55K. Let me check the charts. Because as you know, my target, and I've shared that target in the last 2 weeks in my videos. So I do hope that you all watch those videos. And if you look at what I said in those videos, I was talking about the Gaussian channel, and in that Gaussian channel, I told you guys we would go to 55K area. That's the mid of the Gaussian channel. So nice that you opened that door and not close it, my daughter just. Bam, now it's closed again. So if I would share that chart with you, then you would see that we are exactly nearing that midline of that Gaussian channel. I told you a couple of already for a week. I've been telling you this, and that midline is at 54K, 54,185. So can I show you this? I should have a team that does all this amazing, shows you all the charts and all that stuff. But I'm a one-man show, so I need to check how I do this. How do I do this? Let me see if I do this, and if I do that. Yes, I'm gonna screen sharing. What do I do? I need to do. Oh fuck! I need to. Okay. I need to select this one, share, and I don't know for sure, but you normally should be seeing my screen now. Can somebody confirm in the chat? Confirm. Can you see my screen? Can somebody just let me know if you see the screen that I'm sharing in the now? Can somebody let me know if you see the screen? I see the screen, so I hope you also see the screen. I can't go and update. Not somebody is saying no. And maybe YouTube is lagging a little bit, so I will wait for a couple of seconds. I will wait a couple of seconds. I think the screen will come in a couple of seconds. I can see it already on Rumble, so probably it will also be there in a couple of seconds on YouTube, guys. Yes, people are saying yes. Okay, you see, YouTube is lagging a little bit. So what I told you is that, in my opinion, when we entered that Gaussian channel, that was already not okay. That's very bearish. Then we started to close the candle not inside, just above it. That was bullish still. This one also bullish. Then this one was also still kind of bullish. This one here started to close almost inside. And this one fully closed inside. When that was happening, I thought we will go to this midline. And if we break this midline, then we will visit this line. This line is at 48K then. This line now is at 54K. So at the moment, we dropped already, when I told you that would happen, we dropped already now to, bam, over here, 55. So 54 even. So I believe we can even drop to that. Let me zoom in so you can see a little bit better. I believe that we can drop to this level, 54,185. That's the level of that midline. And we should keep support over there. If we don't keep support over there, then it's not really good. That's bearish as fuck. That would mean we would drop to this level over here, 47, 48K. It's coming up slowly, that line, of course. But let's hope we find support over there, because in the previous situation, in the beginning of this bull market, I'm going to show you that one as well over here, we also held that midline as support. You can see it over here. So please see this area. Exactly the same happened. That's why I also told you, when we close inside, that candle closed inside, we will go to that midline. And we went exactly there to that midline. And from there, we bounced, held support, and we broke out. And from there, bam, that massive run came. So this is very important that we keep support in this one, because else it would be even going deeper, guys. I hope that chart was completely clear. I hope everybody saw also everything on the chart. So yes, that was my chart sharing. I will stop sharing now and go back to this view again. Yes, hopefully that chart was clear, guys. Do you see what is my expectation on Chainlink? Dennis Nowens, my Chainlink target is around $100. That is when I will start to take profits on my Chainlink bag. Chainlink is my biggest bag when it comes to altcoins. So Chainlink is really big. Rune is really big. There's a few more that I have big bags, but Chainlink is one of my, I believe that Chainlink easily can go to $100. So for me, that's a very important one. So let's see if the target will be reached, but I have never changed that target. I have that target from the beginning, and I do believe that we can reach the target. OnlyFans. Where do I start an OnlyFans account? I don't know how to. Why? Who's talking about OnlyFans? Somebody's talking about OnlyFans. Somebody's talking about OnlyFans. I don't know why. M. Ingrosso at Alexander. OnlyFans account. Yeah. I didn't understand that whole. I can't understand what you're saying, but welcome Miguel as well. Miguel was here. Miguel and Miguel is the one who's responsible for the fact I didn't record a video last Monday. That's all on Miguel. So please give a shout out to Miguel over there. He disrupted my life so that I couldn't make a video on Monday morning. Yeah, man. What do you think? Why do you use hashing candles? For me, it's better average price range to see. So I don't. I wanna see the prices more averaged out than like the real top bottom candles. It's just for me, I'm used to that. It doesn't matter. Everybody has their own. Prefers their own candles. Somebody prefer to trade on normal candles. I prefer to trade on hiking Asian as my indicator, like the Bitcoin family indicator setup is also better adjusted to these hiking Asian setups. So that's why. Fricandela, yes, we need fricandela. H bar, I also hodl H bar. You know, my whole list that I hodl is in my Telegram group. In my Telegram group, there's my complete list of all the tokens I told you to buy at the bear market bottom. It's like 30 tokens or something. I told you these, I am buying these on this date, on this price. So you can see I have a shitload of profit at the moment. Even during this dip, still in profit. Gaming narrative. I invested in so many games, Dutch G, that I don't even know which games and invested in, but I invested in. So maybe I should make that a little bit more clear. How can I make this more clear? I think I need to make it more clear. Yeah, because my portfolio is structured in a certain way. So I always structure my portfolio into Bitcoin and altcoins. Those altcoins have different categories like gaming, AI, and the tokens I buy at the beginning of the cycle, the bear market, when the bear market bottom hits, that's when I hit the buy button. Those tokens, they stay all the way into that wallet until the end of the bull market, and then I will start to take profits. During a bull market, I also, of course, have an income I earn because of shilling my affiliate links to you guys. And you should be not envying me for that. You should be very happy for me to do that. So I will do that now. And because you click now on these links that you see in the chat, I sometimes earn a little bit of Bitcoin or USDT. And whenever I earn that little bit of Bitcoin or USDT, I, of course, convert this as well into new projects, new startups. And then I mostly do these pre-seed investments, which means I am investing already 6 months ago without even there being a token. The token still needs to be created, but I'm a seed investor, they call it. So I invest in a project because I believe the project will do good. And then the project still needs to go live, and my money will be stuck for months until I get a little bit of my profits. And that is when I start to focus a little bit more also on indeed some gaming projects. So one of the gaming projects I really, really, really like is Ether Games. I don't know if you all know Ether Games, but Ether Games is one of the better projects. And I think when it comes to gaming, I'm going to send you the link. I don't want to do anything referral-ish. I will send the Twitter link. Maybe that's the easy one. That's where you can start. But that is what over here. Can I copy the link? This is one of the games I really believe that will do really well over there. This one, for example. This one is a game that I invested in that I believe that will do really, really, really well. Patrick Visser, yeah. Let me see, Jam or Avex, the other questions. Very welcome, Nick. I'm happy to give you all everything I have in knowledge. It's like free. Education is very important. Okay, beautiful. I'm just checking if I see any other questions. Miguel Ingrosso, welcome also to Thailand. He just texted in the chat. At least Patrick is going to make sure Miguel also comes to Yeah, without security, that's going to be difficult. Not necessary in Phuket. They have everything as well. Let me see games. Then there is another game that I invested in. I'm just going to check all my investment things over here now. Hope I'm not sharing my screen at the moment. I am not. Give me a second. Sorry, yes, I'm never structured because I answer your questions. And when I answer questions, I can't be structured. So I'm always like taking it easy in my lives, but you get used to that. For those people that are like, oh, he's not like structured. No, I'm not structured at all. And something is now, something is not working the way I want it to work. So I need to check how that is possible. I'm working on a Mac. It's not really doing what I need to do. Let me see over here if I can find some other games that I invested in for you guys. This one I also invested in. I'm too transparent. Give me a second. I will just give me it's up. Okay. Yeah. I will share why this one I also invested in. Sorry that it will take a little bit longer, guys. I'm just not that like structured on YouTube, like I already said. This game also a must see and a must invest, in my opinion. And not because I invest in it, but I always do my due diligence, the team, and everything. But this is also going to be a massive game. I share the YouTube link. You can check that link. Let me see. This chat is live, Marcus. Yes. Do you have a question? Then ask me this question. But I do think it's a little bit lagging behind. I don't know what it is, but it's lagging behind. Je bent een goede mens, een mooie mens. Dankjewel, Danny van Lent. Dogscoin, die nieuwe mooie coin. Cool. Dogscoin is cool, but there is something cooler going on. Should I share this with all of you? I'm going to share you something which I normally do not share, but I'm going to share it today because you all are tuning in. And let me know what you think about it. But in my opinion, this one is going to be really big, and because all the games that, like the two games that front run this game, already did really, really well. And I believe this one is going to do really, really well as well. So I'm going to share it somewhere in here. This one, guys, is also very interesting if you like in games on the Telegram blockchain. So if you like games on the Telegram blockchain, this one is one to keep an eye on, and you can start already to earn tokens by doing a couple of tasks. It's growing really fast now. It's already 200,000 people on the waiting list for this one now. So check that link. Papu Ninja is the name of the project. This project is going to do really well, in my opinion. But I also invested in that one, so let that also be a warning. No financial advice. I'm an investor as well in that project. Yeah, there's not like many projects I didn't invest in probably at the moment. So let me see. Do we have other questions? Marcus, Didi, I have 90K in fiat and 1 BTC and 7 Ethereum and a lot of high cap Ls. What should I do in the cycle stadium? We are in the middle. 90K in fiat. Why would you be hodling 90K in fiat at the moment if you believe in Bitcoin doubling from this moment? So I would always go into Bitcoin, stay in Bitcoin, use Bitcoin with those debit cards, just pay whatever you need to pay so that your 90K will double in the next 12 months. Because Bitcoin is easily going to double from 50K to like 100K, guys. So I would be all in. That's my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just someone doing a YouTube live. I hope you don't, if the noise is really disturbing, let me know, because then I can, no, then I can put it a little bit softer, but doesn't meet, I'm just asking. My wife always kills me with her eyes. Axie Infinity, yeah, was from the previous bull market, really nice. But I'm now going for the new ones, and those new ones, I think Papua Ninja is really going to do real well. It's really cool. It's really cool. Yeah, Papua Ninja, it's really a cool project. So check it. Just check it. It's the app is already live. The game is already live. They have it's different seasons. You can earn tokens. You can play the game. There's even a way for you to earn by sharing and everything. Just check it out. It's just like a normal Telegram mini app game, and those are going to be becoming very popular. Those Telegram mini app games. This is one of the blockchain games on that one. How many BTC needed for early retirement? That depends. The early retirement. So if you are working until your early retirement, so if there is a monthly income until your retirement moment, then I believe that 1 or 2 Bitcoins would be already enough for early retirement. Early retirement is for me like, let's say you want to retire with 50. That's early. Or 40. Let's say 40 and you're 20 now or 30 now or 25, whatever. So you have 10 more years or 15 more years of working. You already hodl 2 Bitcoins. And in those 15 years, you have income online or offline, doesn't matter. So you can live off that income. You don't need to touch your capital. Then I believe that 2 Bitcoins will make you a multi-millionaire in those next 5 years. So then I believe that 5 to 8 years, that already makes your pension fund, because your pension fund is not going to be 2 million. So just calculate what your pension fund normally would be. In the Netherlands, you get your pension when you're 70 or 67 or something like that. So you will have a pension until you're 90 or whatever, 30 years, 25 to 30 years. You have 1,000 to 50. That's like 2,000 per month, 25,000 per year. So that's like not even like $1 million, I think, in total. So yeah, I think it would be very simple to create a pension fund out of Bitcoin for early retirement. And also, if you move to a country where you don't have like, Miguel, 1 million, just all I said. Believing, amazing. Peak fear for some reason at the moment. Good moment to load up a bit. Good moment to start a YouTube live and not knowing what the fuck is going on. I don't know. Is there a huge peak, guys? Is there a huge dip? Are we going to see the dip in life? Am I that lucky? I should change the title. I see Bitcoin dipping, and make that face now that everybody is going to watch my YouTube video, because if I would have a team, they would now probably be doing that. They would now be probably like, So we are at the moment at the price of I'm going to check it for you. We are now short term. Yes, I'm going to leave this page. I'm going to go to other page. I'm going to go here. We even touched 54 low levels. So we touched the low of 54,700. My God, that's almost exactly the level I just told you 20 minutes before. Let's see. We need to have support over here. You can see that the previous dip that was to 48K levels. So this dip is still not as big as the previous dip. So yes, it's still okay. Don't start to freak out. Don't start to sell all your Bitcoins now. This is just Bitcoin. Long term, zoom out, and believe in Bitcoin. Now, any other questions? San Diego, hey, Johnny C from San Diego is also in the house. So many people from all over the world. I'm so proud. I have a YouTube channel with people watching us from all over the world. How beautiful is that? Happy wife, happy life. Yes, that's definitely true. You need to keep your wife happy, and then you will be having a happy life as well. Didi, do you see BTC challenging for world reserve currency? Yes, Stu Lovell. But I already said that, like, I think 4 years ago. I already said Bitcoin is going to be a world reserve currency. 4 years ago, people were still laughing me in my face for saying that Bitcoin can be a world reserve currency. But people were even laughing me in my face when I said 4 to 6 years ago, there will be a time that Bitcoin will be used by all over the world, and there will be a world war because of Bitcoin, and presidents will be talking about Bitcoin, and countries will be adopting Bitcoin. People were just laughing at me. And then I told them, yes, it will be a world reserve currency because countries can't like agree anymore with each other about dollar or yen or BRICS country currencies. So there will be a new currency that will be used internationally. I still believe that. I already said that in my live presentations, I think like 6 years ago on stage. Now I think people are not laughing that hard anymore. No, I don't have the book of From Goud to Bitcoin. I don't know that book. Jelle Rens is curious how we would put we have a very strange afzuigkap. I don't know how the word in English, but there is a button and you can put it lower and higher. Jelle has never cooked, has never been in the kitchen. He didn't know that an afzuigkap could be go lower volume. I had a wealthy banker, a wanker you meant, in the cab just an hour ago. He told me BitC is a scam. I said, look at the graph and zoom out. Yeah, if a banker tells you Bitcoin is a scam, you know you are completely right by investing in Bitcoin. They will be poor in a couple of years if they stop printing money. The Bitcoin Standard, also a very good book. What do you think about Pepe? Yeah, I bought and I made profits. And hey, Didi Tahutu is saying Didi Tahutu. So we have another Didi Tahutu in the chat. I don't know how that's possible. That's not me. So either change your name or I will need to block you, of course, I think from the channel because I need to be very cautious with scammers. So the chat there, Didi Tahutu, that's not me. I don't know. Let me see. Let me do boom this 30 minutes. Yeah. So he's gone. He's gone. I think it's a scammer. So I blocked him for 30 minutes, and after that, yeah. The afzuiging, furnace exhaust. We learned a new word. Afzuiging is furnace exhaust. I don't believe that, because then als jouw vrouw jou zuigt, would that call? Would that be exhaust? My wife is exhausting me. No, my wife is sucking me. So it's a furnace sucker. It blows. A furnace blower. Maybe it's a furnace blower. I don't know. A what? Extractor hood. My wife is saying extractor hood. I don't believe.
That's what my Google says.
Yeah, somebody is saying here extractor hood. He's from the hood. Extractor. I never heard about that word. Extractor hood. And that sounds a little bit better than sucking hood. We have a sucking hood. Not Robin Hood, a sucking hood. Suck on your chocolate balls. Sucking hood. Yeah, can you imagine walking to the sucking hood to get sucked? Yeah, American Pie. Sorry, guys. Sometimes you need to be funny as well because else people leave the chat. Is there even still people in the chat? How many people do we have? We have at the moment watching. I can't even see. Should be able to see. Oh wow! Almost 600 viewers. That's 370 viewers. I think that is happening. Somebody is taking a ventilation hood on Rumble, sucking and blowing. It's all the same. It's ventilation. When you get sucked, it's also ventilating. But she's ventilating her. Stop it. Yeah. Well, I need to talk more about that because then the views go up insanely. Welcome, Rumble people, all to the chat about Bitcoin, blockchain, and sucking hoods. Yes, I am the Robin Hood of crypto, but I'm giving you all a sucking hood for Christmas. So you can do whatever you want with it. Popping off. Yo, okay, we need to go. Hak tua. That's what we say to that. My daughter looks at me like, did you really do hak tua? Yes. I really do hak tua. She's 14. She doesn't even know what it means. Hak tua. She thinks it's a country or something. No, she doesn't think it's a country. Ray just got his Palau ID. Yes, we are now neighbors on Palau. That's amazing. Now, please use my Bybit link to sign up with your Palau ID. So you have a new Bybit account where you can trade to the fullest without any shit. So any tips for arbitrage? No, I don't have any tips for arbitrage. I don't arbitrage that much. I do swapping here and there, but not like arbitrage. No. Rain shoot removes smoke. Rain shoot removes smoke and smells when cooking. Okay, good one. Thank you. So there's a lot of names for that now. Julie now walks in. Maybe she knows it. Maybe we should ask her. Right, she's coming. We are going to ask Julie this question live, and I don't think she knows the answer. So don't text it now in the chat, because then she will see the chat. 1 million before Bitcoin. I hope I will hit 1 million before Bitcoin. I deserve to hit 1 million by Bitcoin. I made videos daily throughout the whole bear market. I'm making videos already for 4 years daily now to keep you believing and understanding the Bitcoin cycle, and I still have 80,000 YouTube followers. I can see other stupid video channels that have millions of followers and they just don't do anything. They just show a sound, like something like that. So, Jolie, we have a serious question here for a blonde. The question for a blonde girl is, how do you say in English afzuigkap?
Afzuigkap.
And it's not hak tua. Afzuigkap. Yeah, that's a difficult one, huh?
I don't know.
Is that the result of the cupcakes?
Yeah.
That's the result of the cupcakes, guys. You just make cupcakes. She doesn't know. Afzuigkap, yeah?
What is it?
We are still discussing what it is, but most people say it's a sucking hood or an extraction hood, extractor hood, or blow a hood. Blow hood. It sucks. It doesn't blow, does it? So tell me, which YouTuber does that with your daughter's video? Eh? Where is all the YouTubers showing their family? Eh? There's no YouTubers showing any families anymore. I know why. Because now she's getting too beautiful, and I don't want all those Bitcoiners to now send me messages again. Yeah. The thing that you now witness is that they created like cupcakes, and they are eating cupcakes, but they are never giving their daddy cupcake. They're not like, oh, Dad, here is an amazing cupcake. Thank you for giving us this beautiful life. Here is your cupcake. No, they just eat the cupcake. Yeah, there's another one. Yeah, now she's giving it to me, Jessa, because she wanted to eat it herself. So, how is it called? The videos with all the sound? ASMR. You're going to make ASMR. Maybe now we get more views. We have ASMR in our video now. YouTube, we also did ASMR. Can we get more views? Exhaust fan for kitchen, furnace exhaust, ASMR. Yes, that was my ASMR contribution here. A heart. They eat and you work. Matteo. Finally, you understand how fucked up my life is. I always work when they are eating or doing something else. That's how it works. And that's also how I feel nice. I'm responsible to make Bitcoin, run BTC, to earn some bucks so that my beautiful daughters and my beautiful wife can live a beautiful, happy life while I work every day. I like it. What do we see? You two funny man, XZD. Can you tell me what that's like your A? I don't know what that means, XZD. Something with laughing, probably something. It's positive. I think it's positive. It is? XZD. Okay. Still to get in all the time. You're making me hungry at midnight here in Tokyo. Welcome from Tokyo. I'm eating people from Tokyo. Tokyo. We have never been to Tokyo. We should go to Tokyo. We should travel more. Unhinged Friday stream. Welcome, Perryax. That's what we do. I don't know what I mean, but that's what we do. Speedy Tomato says, we want to know how you think about Ondo. Don't even know what Ondo is. What is Ondo? It's like my underwear or the token. Exhausted. She's rolling up that cupcake paper. You'll all be smoking. Yeah, that's how she rolls. Yeah, that's. We don't smoke. We don't smoke. We don't drink. We only use drugs. Where are the bananas from? Why are bananas? Why? Krom. Why are bananas krom? How do you say that in English?
Why are bananas?
Why are bananas not straight? I know why. If they like have a curve, it's way more easy to reach the G spot. So, um, my daughter doesn't look like me. They say me. No, I think it's a joke or sarcastic, or maybe it's true. I hope she's more beautiful. Can you still enjoy your vacation since it's normal to travel and chill when you want? We yeah, sometimes, because sometimes she goes on vacation to Greece with her sister, and we went on vacation to a campsite, and that's a complete different life, because then I don't make too much videos and I don't have a different rhythm. But our life kind of is a complete vacation, because we just like what we're doing, and sometimes we have also like boring days, but it's like sometimes we need to have that we are pressured into doing something that we don't like. So it's kind of vacation all the time. Love BTC, but la vivre ça. This is the best crypto life I've ever seen. Great. Thank you, Jelle Rens. From the moon to the moon. Here is the only one on the moon. SmartClick, can you help me with the bot, please? Yes, I can help you with my bot, Sarah Rim. The bot is at the moment making a nice 3.6% even a month. So that's really doing well. Yes. Drinking bad, smoking, hell yeah. And taking all other drugs also. Okay. Altcoin Ondo. No. I don't have any knowledge about Ondo, so educate me. Send me a DM about everything about Ondo, and I will check it. She's always promoting you during her lessons. Who? Mills. Can you make gym clothes for my wife? Mills. Yes, I can. Send me a DM. You mean that I add Bitcoin gym clothes to the Bitcoin family shop? For all those people that don't know what the Bitcoin family shop is, because a lot of people don't even know that we have a shop with the coolest Bitcoin family clothes. For all those people that don't know it, I will give a link that you can check it. There's also a lot of t-shirts that Julie created over there, and all the other kids as well. So go there, check all the clothes, and if you want gym clothes, let me know. I will create really cool Bitcoin gym clothes. Not too huge Bitcoin logos, small Bitcoin family of Bitcoin logos, and then I will do that. Past het hoedje nog met B-Art. Bart is also in the chat. Bart visited me, and yes, that hood does still fit me. He gave me a bucket hat with B-Art on it. I don't have it with me here. Where is my B-Art hat? I don't know where it is. I think it's at the place where you brought it to me. We go there back before we go to Thailand. Nice side eye. I saw that. Okay. Nice side eye.
Thank you.
What is that? Oh, that one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Melissa, that is like, I see those eyes 24/7 by $3 and a gay dog. Like, I can't even do it. Can you do it one more time? Look. Oh, you really don't care. Like, oh, again, something like that. The only one that does that side eye in bed is my wife. Oh, she looks like this. Oh. Oh my God, what the fuck is it? Can you do your side eyes? They want to see your side eye. Come on. The video concerning the 100 and 200 MA, if the dead cross would have 200. Jefferson said it best. I think you are, the thing you're saying is it's a little bit concerning, but also not concerning, because if it's a dead cross, it would be 200 market top not happen. That's true. I'm going to make another video about that, because there is two ways to look at it. There's two ways to look at it. So we had a death cross, and now it's like a golden cross again. So I will get back to that. Oh man, can you do the side eyes? That's how it goes. You know, that's how all my life goes. I can't do anything. I love you. I love you long time. I love you long time. I hate you, but. Okay, sport tops for Cup D. Oh, whoa. Mills, I will make t-shirts or sport tops for Cup D for your shop. but you need to make pictures so we can put them in the family store to sell more. Last AMA, you said you wanted to go in Thailand. Yes, we will go to Thailand very soon. Within 2 weeks, we will go to Thailand. And the answer, Anthropozoiza, that's the name. Yes, it has to do with politics, and it has to do with the economy, and it has to do with freedom. That's why I go to Thailand. I also need to admit, we rented a house for a year now in Thailand, because I even don't know how everything will turn out in Europe. I don't want to be arrested because I say something on YouTube or on Twitter or on Facebook. I don't want to be locked up because I'm not agreeing with the whole like LMTBQ or the whole politician situation or the whole flu situation or the whole monkeypox or the whole, all of that can happen. And I want to be able, whenever that happens, to be completely honest on how I feel about that and share my opinion with all the people that want to hear a different opinion than the opinion they will hear by the mass media. And I definitely don't feel safe to share that opinion within Europe on socials anymore, because you know what is happening at the moment. So that's one of the reasons. The second reason is we don't like cold. I don't like cold. So Thailand in the winter is just amazing. The climate is just perfect. So that's why we will go there. And the third reason is it's way more healthy. I don't know what it is. In Thailand, everything is just more healthy. The food is healthy. The weather is healthy. Sports, how do you say it? Probiotica. Everything is possible and okay there. I just feel completely at home. And that's why I like to be in Thailand. So, but it also has to do with the economics and, of course, also with the politics. And economics, I mean, like I want to be able to talk freely about economics, but I also want to just live a life where the quality of life is maximum quality of life, where the spending is minimum. So I need to spend as much as Bitcoin for a maximum quality of life. And Thailand is one of the countries where that is possible. Okay. What do you think about Althea Hills? I haven't been there. I've looked at houses over there, but it's for me it's like it's a hill. So for me it's like too far from the center. So the kids always need to go with a bike or a car, a scooter to the center. So I prefer something more flat where we can go easily into the town to have a coffee, have a lunch, and all that stuff. Wearing BTC logo in public, I'm not tired of living it. Yes, Cisco kids, some people are afraid to walk around with Bitcoin logos in public because they are afraid that then people, would rob them because they are wearing a Bitcoin t-shirt. Now, what if you would be walking around with like the most expensive brand? I don't even know clothing brands like Philippe Plein. You're walking with a Philippe Plein. You're also showing that you're rich. They can also take your head off. What if you're walking around with most expensive Nike shoes of 30K? There's so many things why people could take your head off. What if you walk around with a Donald Trump t-shirt? Maybe they kill you because of that. We chose not to live in fear. We love Bitcoin, and we love what Bitcoin is doing for the world, and that's why we also, have a Bitcoin tattoo. We show the world that we are Bitcoiners and not shitcoiners or fiat coiners. Fiat coiners, I can also say like poor people. Just came in. What do you think? Bitcoin is going to more now? No, I don't think it will go a lot of lower. Menu mentioned Haktua and she was eating a cupcake. Yes, but that is when the views went up. I only need to say Haktua and I show a cupcake and bam, the views went up. You see, now again, from 460 to 502, just because I said Haktua and a cupcake. Let's test it. Haktua and a cupcake. Haktua, cupcake. 502. No, it doesn't go up now. Yeah, maybe something to do with that. I don't know. Do we see any more questions? I would rather buy BTC boxer shirt. Very good one. BTC boxer. I'm going to create also a BTC boxer shorts. We have socks. Do we already have a boxer? I don't think. I think we only have socks. Let me. I don't know anymore. Let me see for a second. Fun and home, maybe in that category. And we have socks, but we don't have a boxer. We have a towel, we have a backpack, we have coffee mugs. We don't have a boxer yet. I'm going to try and create a Bitcoin boxer. Yes, with the B of big, something like that. Thank you. It's a great live stream. They can get you in Thailand. Yes, they can always get me in Thailand. I will live in a beautiful small island. Jolie, would you recommend any young parents to not send their kids to school? Jolie is already gone. Maybe she comes back. I will have her answer answer that question. We had that conversation a couple of days ago, and then Julie's answer was that yeah, she would recommend it because the pressure for Julie was too high in the school and was like pushing, and she learned a lot, and her network is now so big that all those certificates that you would earn would not mean shit anymore in this new world that we are living in. So yeah, but I will, if she comes back, I will ask her. Authentic Thai food is mind-blowing. There are so many amazing Thai food that I'm looking forward to. It's amazing. Myanmar is cheaper. Yes, I believe that it's cheaper. I don't know if Myanmar is the perfect country for me. Yeah, I see people walking with a Rolex. I see people driving in Lamborghinis. I see people driving. Yeah, it's you're always people look at money. So that's why we look as I look like cheap as fuck with the Bitcoin t-shirts, shorts from the what store is it? We something like that. So people never think I'm rich. I think even my closest family doesn't think I'm rich. Alexander, have a good dinner. What do you say? My wife was saying something to me. We are not rich. Oh, we are not rich. We don't have anything. Don't come for us. Yes, we only have love. Very lot love. There is LSD, I think, in this cookie. Love poison. My wife is poisoning me with love. Let me produce premium gene. I definitely would sell them, consultante, but I would need to have drop shipping and everything arranged. I will promote them, sell them, but I will not need to. I don't want to send them and do all that stuff. That's too much work. The rest I would do. El Heine, this message was gone. Do I understand why Bitcoin still is not 100K? Yes, because I already told you, evil Turkey, that Bitcoin won't be 100K this year. But I think we will go to between 84 and 94K towards the end of this year, drop to 70K in January. Altcoins then will start to outperform Bitcoin in January. A lot of people will be making profits in their altcoins January, February 2025. Then their profits will be turning back into Bitcoin. Then Bitcoin will go for that last beautiful push all the way up to a new all-time top in 2025. And that one will be above 100K. That's what I believe. Flip-flops with Bitcoin. Yes, there is flip-flops with Bitcoin already in my store. Also with Just Be Free, I think. Thailand, Indonesia. Arno, that's a very good question. We love Thailand and we love Indonesia. Thailand feels a little bit more relaxed, and the community that we built over the years in Thailand and Phuket, for example, is a huge crypto community with a lot of same-minded people, same-thinking people. So I love to be surrounded by that. And the advantage, I think, on Thailand is that it is a little bit more possibilities when it comes to the lifestyle we love as a family. We love Bali as well, but we'd also love to move around. And if we are in Bali, just moving around with your bike, it's almost impossible because of the traffic. If you need to go to another island in Indonesia, it's also difficult. Also, Indonesia is not that positive to our dogs, so we can't bring Teddy to Indonesia. So also a reason why we love Thailand. So that's okay. That's my answer. But we love both of those countries. So, but Thailand, I think, has a little bit more quality of life for people that already are very Western European. So I think it's just more relaxed for me, and more beautiful beaches that are accessible. So yeah, for me, it's safer country, and it's Buddhism. So let me be very honest about that as well. We love the Buddhistic culture. So the Buddhism culture is not like a fighting culture. It's a very Zen, minimalistic, be happy and don't envy culture, and that's what we also like. So Indonesia is a little bit different, in my opinion. Only need one sock like Red Hot Chili Peppers. That would be the best, the coolest video ever. If I do a YouTube video with a Bitcoin sock, with only a Bitcoin sock, but then I need to lose a little bit more kilos and tighten the booty. And I'm busy traded about that. It's now all your BTC traded by, but not all my BTC consultants. Just a small part of my portfolio I'm trading with the bot. Like, just imagine having $200,000 in that bot. That would mean that you make like 3%, 6K a month just of that. And then that 6K a month, you can live your life very beautiful while you hodl the same amount of Bitcoins. It increases also in value and dollar value. Our bot trades Bitcoin, so more Bitcoin, not more dollar. Pierre is saying, niet voordat er meer dan 3000 kids thuis zitten, niet voor, deel ik binnenkort iets over bij de Just Be Free family. Don't understand, but something is going to be shared somewhere about 3000 kids sitting at home, but why, I don't know. We need to check out what he's going to say next time. Pierre. Francesco, did I ever visit the South Africa? No, we haven't been to South Africa. It's still on our bucket list. At the moment, I'm looking if I would go to the African part of our world, then I would love to go to Tanzania and Zanzibar, I think is next to it. I think that's a perfect combination. South Africa, I don't know how safe it is at the moment over there. So, do you invest in the Molukken? Greedy Dutch 010. Do I invest in the Molukken? I have tried to invest. I did invest a little bit, and I've tried to invest in the Molukken, but you never know. You need to be there to make sure the money goes exactly to the cause it should be going, because else it will go into the house of somebody or whatever. That's like still not like the most transparent way of investing, in my opinion. How volatile Bitcoin is. But I would love to do something really cool for the Molukken. So they should start to integrate Bitcoin a little bit more. And then I will be able to do some really cool stuff over there. I have my ideas, I have my plans. And when I'm ready to do that, then I will definitely do that on the Molukken. Because we need to get the Molukken back to the Molukken. And there is ways to do that. Considering how volatile Bitcoin is, what window do we get at the top to sell? Hours, minutes, days? I think it will only be like the real top, like the top, like the blow off top. I believe it will be a blow off top, like the distribution top is like that. Blow off top is like this. I think the blow off top will take like 2 days, maximum 2 days. And then it will be up, down, one more bounce, bam, gone. So either sell on the top or just before the top or after the bounce, not like during the drop, because it's always a bounce. So that's what I would do. But I will be there to guide you through that. I will make videos on every moment, of course. As long as you keep watching, sharing my channel with other people, because we need to grow in followers, guys. Let's be honest. It's like 500 people watching this video. It's like not enough. We need to grow. We need to grow way more. We need to have more followers. We need to have like more than 100,000 followers already by now, in my opinion, because I really believe that I'm doing a good job. So it should be rewarded with more subscribers. Let me see. Somebody saying, I hope that you're right. I know that I'm right. Let me see what happens. Maldives, the Maldives, we have not been there. We haven't been to very beautiful islands. And we want to also go to the Maldives. But I saw now from Bangkok, you can fly like for 300 euros or something to the Maldives. So maybe a couple of friends of us are going to visit the Maldives in December. I don't know, December. I think December, and maybe we will visit them then for a week. So yes, that would be Maldives for the first time. Diamond hands for president, yes. But you think Bitcoin will go down, fluctuating like now, or break down? Looks like break down right now. Depends on what chart you're looking at Bitcoin at the moment. But if you're looking in two small time frames, then it looks like it's going down. So, but if you look at, for example, now the 1 hour, you can see at the moment that there is a red candle going lower, lower, lower. Now, if you now look at the 4 hour, for example, you can see a large wick to the bottom while the price is crawling up again. We went to the low of 54,300, exactly the low that I told you it would go, the channel of the Gaussian, and now we're already at 55. So if you would have opened a long at that low while I was doing a video, you would already be in profit. So yeah, that's sad that I didn't take that long. I should have thought about that and doing that long while I'm doing the video. Stupid. You could have educated people. Sorry for that. Yeah, Zanzibar. ADA, Cardano, it's always part of my portfolio, but I'm also being honest, and I am losing trust in Cardano a little bit. I'm losing trust because it's just not doing what it should be doing, not growing, and there's new chains doing better jobs than Cardano's. Let me see what happens. I still hold it, but I'm not as bullish on ADA than I'm on, for example, on Chainlink or Rune at the moment. Rune, Rune with the R. I have a soft R. I'm from the south in the Netherlands. I can't say it with a hard R. Rune, Rune. Sounds really retarded. Rune. Evil Turkey. Can we be in a super cycle? No, I don't think it's what is a super cycle? That this will be the last fifth wave of the super cycle. People think that this will be the fifth wave into 2025, that we have super cycle. I believe it's just a 4-year cycle with diminishing returns, but still growing in adoption, growing in liquidity, and also still experiencing halvings every 4 years. So less new Bitcoins to the market every day, while the demand keeps growing. And so I think it's just not a super cycle, it's an ongoing cycle for many more decades to come. Thanks for the advice, man. Happy to give you advice. Why is USDT stablecoin? It's not why people think it's like the stablecoin is not legal anymore in Europe, but everyone is still using that stablecoin. So I wouldn't know why you think that's not used. In my wallets, if you have MetaMask, if you have all the new wallets that there is there, you just have USDT. You can use it. You can use it as a European person. You can't use it maybe on those Dutch exchanges anymore, or like those Western exchanges that try to fuck you 24/7, but don't use those. Use other alternatives where you can use the stablecoin that you want to use. USD, USDC, DAI, all good alternatives. Go to Farafushi Maldives. Wait, I'm going to Google that. Farafushi Maldives. Farafushi Maldives. Emerald, Farafushi Maldives. Images. Farafushi Maldives looks really, really beautiful. Wow. That even has like beautiful houses with a private pool on the beach. Okay, I'm gonna check that. It really looks nice for a couple of days or a week. But then again, there's no bars or parties. It's just like an island. It's just like 1 week zen, relaxing. I think it's a good idea for me to do before the real bull market starts, because then I will be making even more videos, and that's going to be busy, busy, busy. That's good. Thank you, Nick, for that feedback. KuCoin still shows new lows. I write you by Discord. My name is Jingo. Sarah, I am not using Discord anymore. Too many scammers out there. So send me a direct message on Telegram. My Telegram name is just my full name. Please send this message over there. Hopefully, I will be able to buy 3 Bitcoins back at the bottom of the bear market. I think that would be easy possible if you have like 1 Bitcoin. If you have like 0.4 Bitcoin, I think you will be able to buy back 3 Bitcoins in the bear market bottom. Didi, can you earn interest on the stable coins on Bybit? I think you can. My Bybit account, my USDT is all staked automatically, so there I get staking rewards. Depends on I have the flexible one, so sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. But if you just, it's like I think it's earn and reward, it's called in Bybit now. So if you stake your USD that you're not using, you're earning like interest, like between sometimes 2%, sometimes 14%. So it's going up and down, because I choose the flexible one. You can also take the stable one, and then you know exactly how much you will earn. 54 to 50 comes of 50. Somebody saying 50,000. Let me check the charts. We are crashing. Let me go to the 1 hour. So 54. That's exactly. Let me also check now the Gaussian channel. The Gaussian channel. We are exactly now at that Gaussian channel with a body. Now we hope that we bounce from here and that we get a small wick down below the midline, and then we go up from there. That's what we need. If that doesn't happen, guys, then we are gonna go and see that 48K level area. So longing now, let me see what the indicators are telling me. Let me see the indicators. The indicator on the 4 hour is still not a buy signal. I'm going to go to, if you're like 15 a day trader, you trade for them the 15-minute chart, and it's still in a sell, so it's still not like the moment to buy. We still have a lot of blue and yellow in the bottom. The blue line is still pointing down the white line, so it's not a long for me at the moment. I'm not longing Bitcoin. I will wait for all the indicators to turn positive for me to be able to take that buy order or the long. So for me, it's still not moment too long. How do I see this? That's also, of course, what people now ask. Can I move? I need to share again. It's also difficult. Why did we make everything so difficult? Let me see if I have somewhere my screen open. This one I need to close. This one I need to close. This one I can farfushi. Let me see if I can share my screen over here. I will show you what I mean. For a second. Oh my God, you're not good at it at all, Didi. You're not good at this at all. Can you imagine that all those other people, they all have teams and they are switching buttons and this and the panel, and then you can see that, and then you can see this. I need to do everything myself at the moment. So let's see. If we now look at the 15-minute chart, like the 15-minute chart, then we can see that indeed Bitcoin is like having a huge dip at the moment. You know, the sell signal was there. It's a sell signal. Candle closing down below the yellow stepping line. I'm going to draw a little bit so you understand how I analyze the chart. So sell signal. Candle was down below the yellow stepping line. Red line was on top. The green was decreasing, even blue already in this area, and there the blue and the yellow starts. The blue line crossing that white line, even crossing that green line already before. This is bearish, even triangles over there, red ones. So this is a trade you could have taken, a short. So now for me to take a long, I want to wait. I want to wait for the next candles to close. I want to wait for example, the yellow stepping line to come, of course, down, something like this, or whatever. I'm just drawing something. And then for new candles to close above there again. And then I will take that long. I'm not going to take a long while we are in this free fall. Can I call it a free fall? Like, it's not a real free fall, but like in this bearish situation. So then you can go into the 5 minutes, for example, to see what is happening over there. So in the 5 minutes, same thing. At the bottom, a lot of blue and yellow. The white line is turning a little bit more positive though. Here you can see that going sideways. The blue line tries to come up a little bit. We can see some green starting over here. We already had a buy signal, but there is no candles closing above the yellow stepping line. So in the 5 minutes, it looks a little bit, tiny little bit more bullish. But for me, I don't look at the 5 minute that much. Like in the 1 minute, we can see, hey, there is a buy signal coming, but this is a 1 minute chart. So yeah, when we close above that one, the blue line is above that one. The green line is on top. When we see green hills over here, could be a valid buy signal on the 1 minute. Then it also needs to be a confirmation on the 5 minute. Then it also needs to be a confirmation on the 15 minute. Then it also will become a confirmation on the, for example, 4 hour chart. And that is how I normally look at the chart. So at the moment, I am not longing yet. I'm waiting until my signals tell me to long. Okay. I am dollar cost averaging, by the way, because yes, I know that I had some buy orders with USDT as well that I earned, and that is now, I think that is now amazingly being bought. Yes, I think that's being bought. I need to check later. Okay. Now let's see if I can also manage to stop my screening live sharing again there. I think I should do it like this. Bam, back over there. I didn't realize it, but I am already live for 1.5 hours? That's not possible, is it?
Yes, it is.
My wife is saying yes, it is, with a face like we should be doing lunch now or something.
Lunch, dinner.
Dinner. Are we going to have dinner tonight?
Yes. No, you will not get dinner.
I'm not getting dinner. So you see, I'm working. I'm not getting dinner. This is my dinner for all those tuning in very late. My cut cake. I don't know what dinner is, but we are going to have dinner later, guys. Homemade dinner. A little bit of ASMR again. Just imagine eating like that. That would be fun dinner. Okay, let's go and tune into the questions again. Hope you enjoyed that chart. Can you explain more about Estate X? Yes, just buy it. Estate X is gonna like disrupt the whole real estate world. So you will be able to invest in a house with $10. So you will have an app. You will go into your app. You can see, hey, on this this house is now 50,000 US dollar, for example. I can invest in this house for $20. And that is what estate agents is doing. You will be able, as a normal person, to invest small amounts in real estate with a return on investment of 8% or 6% a year. But at least you're then also diversified into real estate with your crypto. So that is what Estate X is doing for you guys out there. I do have some referral link for that, but I don't even know where it is. So I will give you the Twitter handle so that you know what we're talking about. All the other people that are wondering what is this? What is this? What is he talking about? Let me give you this one. Let me give you the right link, guys. I don't want you to be scammed. I'm always very careful, just so you know. Just show you so you know. That's how you say it. Not like read that. This one, copy the link. Copy link to profile. And this is a project. And also, disclaimer over there. I am an investor in this project as well. Yeah, yes, I invest a lot. That's true. But this project is disrupting the whole industry when it comes to real estate. Just have a look at it. I should have given you my referral link if that is even possible, because if you give you a referral link, then you would count as a sign up to me. But I don't have it I don't have it here like, so just check it. What do we do? 52K. I have 2K. I hope you just saw my video, so you know. Falling knife. That's how you call it. I need it. My English is so bad. Fallen mesh. Bitwavo does give a lot for staking. No, don't use Bitwavo, please. Evil Turkey. Do never use Bitwavo. I am not against Bitwavo, but I will never use it. I prefer to hold my Bitcoins in my own hands, not on a centralized platform like Bitwavo that also had a shitload of issues with paying people out. Not using it, not promoting it, not using it. In the Netherlands, BTC Direct or Bitonic, the only ones that I use. Blowfin is coming. I don't know if they come with a debit card. If they come, I will let you know. I will have a beautiful yacht trip with Blowfin in Singapore. And I also have a dinner with the CEO of Blowfin. So I'm going to have some chat with the CEO and look where Blowfin is and where we can take Blowfin as a community and what we could be offering the community. So we'll come back to you about that after token 2049 in Singapore. Yes, I will be there for all those ones asking. Yeah, indeed. You could have sold in March, April at 74K and buy back now. It's okay. It's all okay. Bitcoin is crashing. People are saying, please don't freak out. I've been in this situation before, and just it depends how you look at the charts. But we were with a wick to a very low level, and we are back crawling up again. So don't freak out directly. Just give Bitcoin also time to bounce and to breathe. Sometimes it's better to just shut off your laptop because my DMs are exploding now. That's very terrible always, because that's like an indication to me when the DMs start to explode. Then when it starts to happen like this, all this DMs coming in like in the last 10 minutes, then I know something is going on. So But Vavo asks a lot of questions, so I don't want many questions to be asked. That's why I use Bitonic or BTC Direct. So for me, those are the ones I use in the Netherlands. So no, Bitonic is the Netherlands. And wow, wait, guys. This one is a Dutch company. I'm gonna just give you the link. This, guys. Sorry. This is a Dutch company where you can buy your Bitcoins, and this is also a Dutch company where you should be buying, where you should be buying your Bitcoins. This is also a Dutch company where you should be buying your Bitcoins. And that second one that I'm going to share now, I think that's a really good one. So, because they are non-custodial as well. So those two you can just use in the Netherlands to buy with Ideal or whatever you want to buy. How many dips can you dip into when it keeps dipping? That depends on your work and your job. So if you have a good job and you earn a salary every month, for example, then you can keep buying the dip. If you don't have a job, then it will become very difficult to buy the dip. Sorry for that. There's a very good remark by Mitchell Moldijk. How do I look at the global liquidity versus Bitcoin? Whenever the global liquidity makes a new all-time high, Bitcoin will follow. It will soon start to follow. This is a shakeout of the weekends. I believe these shakeouts will happen a little bit more because institutional investors are now in the market. They have been playing this game for a very long time. The BlackRocks, they understand how to create fear. That's why they were also forcing all of you to wear face masks and face diapers and vaccinations. That's also part of the whole media, show of BlackRock, Vanguard, State Street. And now they are making you afraid to sell your Bitcoins, your precious Bitcoins, to who? To their rich friends. So that's what they are doing now. And that's how they shake out the weekends. And then they start to pump the price with all the newly printed money. And that newly printed money flows then into profits. And those profits will then again support the new presidential elections. That's how it works, I think. How do you think Bitcoin will perform during a possible recession? Perfect. I think same like gold, maybe even better than gold. Buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Yeah, sometimes you see myself at typing and all that stuff, guys, but it is because I also need to do some posts on Twitter, of course, while I'm doing that. I just posted, warned you, stop crying, start buying. I told you exactly in that clip where we would go. Just check my Twitters, and we went there. Do we have any other questions? I think it's a very long YouTube. I'm very happy that we still have like almost 500 viewers. I'm amazed that even we have more viewers on Rumble at the moment than on YouTube. More viewers on Rumble. Congratulations, Rumble. You are growing. You are becoming more popular than YouTube. I don't even know if there is monetization on Rumble. I don't know. I'm just supporting Rumble because they support freedom of speech, and I want to have freedom of speech. And whenever my YouTube account again will be blocked or frozen, then I can always go to Rumble. So for all the people now watching, please do also sign up to my Rumble. Please do also sign up to my Rumble. And it's just because sometimes YouTube blocks accounts per accident because they talk about Bitcoin, or maybe also because they talk about certain things in the world that we are not allowed to talk about. And in Rumble, I'm always possible to do that. That's why I use it as a backup. So if you please also want to sign up to my Rumble, that would be amazing. I don't know if you know how to do that, but there is I think I even shared the link on Twitter where you can find my Rumble link to this video today. And from there, you just, you just sign up. It's not that difficult. I don't need to treat you as little children. Already the Netherlands does that. So you can probably decide for yourself. Yeah, it's possible to do that. Okay, here's the link. I just want you to not lose contact to me whenever something happens over here, guys. So that's good. What do I say about Quant? I have a shitload of Quant as well. VeChain, I had, but I sold a lot of VeChain during the pandemic. Render, I have a small account and a small bag of Render. Why did I sell my VeChain? Just because people will now ask, you're investing in AI and everything, but why not in VeChain anymore? Because VeChain during the pandemic was promoting, supporting the whole lockdown, the whole QR code blockchain system. They wanted people to be able to register their QR code and their face mask and the vaccinations on the VeChain blockchain. So that's why I said, okay, I don't support those values. And whenever I don't support certain values in life, they need to be in line with my investments. So I do not invest in a company that has not the same values that I have. I just don't feel right with that. So that's why I don't do it. Even if I could become a billionaire because of it, I would still not do it, because my norms and values, my integrity, my honesty is way more important to me and then becoming a billionaire. Because that's why the world is like breaking down, because people just start to invest in things that they don't even understand what they're investing in, and then they're destroying the world, like investing in Ripple. Ripple makes you cripple. Why the fuck would you buy Ripple? That's like same shit. I would not invest when the norms and values are not in line with my norms and values. So maybe it's not smart. Maybe you should go and do whatever the fuck you want to go, and have a like don't give a fuck about people dying and all that stuff. But it's not me. It's not me. Bottom will be same as ETF launch. Yes, off the family wall 48k. Bought BTC at 25k, buying again at 49k. Amazing. Hello from Portugal. Do I have other stuff next to Bitcoin? Do I have other stuff next to Bitcoin? In the last couple of weeks, I've been playing Padel a lot. I even had private lessons in Padel. I played some games, some matches with my brother Gino, a lot Padel. So Spain, I took the time to educate myself on Padel. So I'm really playing better and better every time again. So if you meet me somewhere, that's offer me a game or play, and we will play. Aside of that, I also love to go to the beach. I also love to do other sports. I love to just chill in the pool. And my main thing I'm occupied with, aside of Bitcoin, I think, is jiggy with my wife. I love sex. I'm a sex addict. Hello, my name is Didi. Welcome, Didi. You should all type now in the text. Welcome, Didi. Hi, hello, I'm Didi. I'm here to talk about those things. Now, resist Corona. Yes, don't drink beer. Top altcoins. Check my list in the in my WhatsApp or my Telegram group. There is a whole list. You can see all my top altcoins over there. I love Mallorca. Mallorca is amazing. If you are on a Swedish server, you can't watch certain film videos. Yeah, that's really strange, but that's because they block certain content. So you need to watch those videos on Rumble, and you will be able to see them. Very strange, very strange. Are you selling your BTC when the bear market starts? Yes, a part of it I will always sell. I will always take profits at the bull market top, around the bull market top, and I will always buy back at the bear market bottom, because I want to multiply my capital in Bitcoin. And then it's only 12 months that you go out. 12 months, you go out around the top. You buy USDT, DAI, or any other stable coin. 12 months of bear market, bam, and you buy back a shitload of more of Bitcoin. So I do that around the top, yes. But effort and share, guys. I am the group. There's a Telegram group. There's a free one and there's a paid one. The free one, there is an invite link. Let me see if I can find the link. There is only one real free group. Oh, okay. Sorry for that. I need to go into the link over here. Copy link. This is the free one group, and I can manually add you there. So you need to request to be admitted, because I just don't want scammers in that group. So if you do that now, I will be the next 10 minutes manually adding you, and then I will stop also my video, because then I was live for almost 2 hours, and that's like a lot of working on a Friday afternoon. but I love to educate you guys, and I'm thankful that you're watching. And man, already still 500 viewers. That's pretty damn good, I think. Let me see. Do we get any requests to join that group? I go here, I go there, join request. So I'm checking every join request that comes in the next 10 minutes. I will automatically add. You just saw the link in my YouTube chat. I cannot do it. Can I also paste it in my Rumble chat? No, that's the strange thing. I can't paste anything in Rumble. It's really bad. So I cannot paste texts there. I don't know, or maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. What do I can't. No, I cannot. Maybe I need to educate myself a little bit more about Rumble, because there's a lot of viewers in Rumble at the moment. Is there any other question, guys? Is there any other question that you want to ask? Then I can answer that now in the last 10 minutes, because the last 10 minutes is going to be amazing again then, because I need questions to be answering those questions. Yes, I'm getting tired a little bit now. 18th, yes, that is possible on the 18th when the Fed cuts. Amazing, but don't be too fearful. I warned you in the last couple of videos in the last 2 weeks that we could dip to these levels, so you should have been prepared. Put your buy orders there and just start believing me, because I'm always right. My wife tells me I'm always right. He's like, you're never wrong. You're always right, Didi. Yes, I don't know why she says that, but I think she believes it also, because she says it really serious, like, Didi, but you know what I like about you? Say, yeah, you're always right. She's laughing her ass off over there now, because of course, in my home situation, I'm never right. I'm only right when it comes to Bitcoin. BTC bottom by September. I don't see any other questions, guys. So I will already start to talk a little bit about the end of the video. Tomorrow we'll do a Dutch AMA or somewhere in the morning. I'm not going to give you a time. I don't know, when I wake up and I just want to be chill, and I don't want to do like, I do like Raven coin as well, but I have a very small bag. So that's okay. But it's not that I have a lot of that. I didn't even do too much research into Raven coin. I just added it because it was one of the tokens that was like bottoming out beautifully. I'm like, okay, that's a nice bear market bottom buy. Scandemic restriction Thailand. No, I don't think there will be restrictions this time, because in Thailand is a little bit different, because the princess of Thailand became sick because of the vaccination. So they think a little bit different by now about vaccinating people. Again, about betting. Wall Street is a big player now. Are you not scared they will use this info, break the 4-year cycle, and let you buy back higher? In the top, yeah, but Hank van Den, I'm always happy with profit. So profit is profit. So we can't be too greedy. You take your profit, and if you're happy with that profit and you can live your life with the profit, it's all okay. And maybe there will be a new boom or a new investment opportunity, or maybe Bitcoin will crash and you will be able to buy the debt back. So I'm not afraid to be buying back more expensive, because even if I buy back more expensive, let's say you have $1 million and you buy Bitcoin back more expensive for $1 million, if it then goes up 10 or 20%, it's still 200K profit again. So you keep making profit. Doesn't matter what level you buy. What matters is that it goes up after you buy. So that's what is very important, guys. I'm going to check now if I have any people requesting to get in, and I'm so slow in all that stuff. I had a few requests. I have added Mike to the group, Ray to the group, Thomas to the group, Mitt to the group, Action Hank to the group, Stephen Grog to the group, Pixie to the group, this one, Peter, Annemiek, and Nick. You're all added to the group, and Nico is also added to the group. So all the last ones are added now to the group. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family free group, where we can chat a little bit more. But now I'm going to enjoy the dinner that my beautiful wife has cooked. I wish you an amazing weekend. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this very long video, and we are again going up in views, but if you did enjoy this video, please give the video a thumbs up, share that with your friends and family, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. Let me know what you think about the charts. Let me know what you think about all the other stuff I talked about. I wish you an amazing weekend, and probably see you tomorrow again. Yusuf, you see a little bit to the top in the chat, there is a group, and you can click that one. There's a Telegram group, and if you use that one, then you can, I will add you to that VIP group over there as well. Thanks for watching, and wish you an amazing weekend, and see you the next time again. I'm gonna end the stream. Bam.